We've been fixing leaks since the year of '78. Modern Plumbing Inc., we're the ones you seek. For all your plumbing needs, we're great. We're not just plumbers, we're your friends. Serving Citrus County, we're the best. From Crystal River to Humboldt, Sessa Springs, we'll fix your pipes and you'll be impressed. Serving Citrus County since 1978. Modern Plumbing Inc., we're never late. We'll fix your pipes and you'll be glad that you called us. We've seen it all, from leaky faucets to clogged drains. We'll get the job done